This equipment is purpose-built for welding pipes and plates, employing advanced visual positioning control technology to enable fully unmanned automatic welding of pipes and plates. Primarily utilized in chemical, heat exchange, boiler, electrical, and nuclear industries. It facilitates the fully automatic welding of pipes and plates, especially tailored for welding flat or corner joints of heat exchanger tube sheets. Its core objectives include unmanned tube plate operation, efficient TIG welding, single operator control of multiple machines, enhanced production efficiency, and reduced labor intensity. Comprising the TPW60 body, visual system, 508 programmable intelligent welding power supply, dedicated welding machine head, data acquisition system, automatic correction function, and automatic arc length adjustment of the welding gun head. This system integrates mature automation equipment and processes from STUAA Automation Qingdao Co. Limited, leveraging advanced visual recognition capabilities, with recognition accuracy up to 0.2 mm. It is well suited for welding various tube sheet workpieces. The system supports CAD drawing import, automatically generates welding trajectories via trajectory planning, and utilizes visual positioning correction to mitigate the impact of processing errors on welding. Featuring arc pressure tracking and automatic arc length control, it ensures fast response and precise control, delivering stable and consistent welding quality while automatically recording welding joint counts. Apart from wire and tungsten electrode replacement, the entire welding process operates without manual intervention.